For PXE OS installation, we required one server. We will do some configuration. We required some ISO files. Then we will connect our server to a switch. After that, you will connect all of your endpoints to that switch. And then you will be able to install any OS in the network. In this video series, I will show you how can you deploy any OS in the network. In this video, we will learn how to boot Acronis True Image over the network. Here I have mentioned 10 steps. We will follow these steps one by one and boot this ISO file over the network. The first step is we will download server software and Acronis True Image ISO file and serverasset.inf file. As you can see, I have downloaded this file already. Step 1 is completed. Step 2, we will assign an IP address on our main system. We will use this command to assign the IP address. I am using 10.1.1.1. This step is completed. Step number 3, we will disable the firewall of our system. We will use this command. This step is completed. Step number 4, we will create a directory in D drive and set the name root. This step is completed. Step number 5, we will open server software and configure it. This is our server software. We will extract this file and run server64.exe. Click on top left icon, go to settings, click on TFTP, click on TFTP server and bind this server IP address. Click on browse and select the root directory. Go to DHCP tab, DHCP server, click on BINL, bind this server IP address, and here we will assign the pool size 10.1.1.2 and here we will type 10. Subnet mask I am using 255.0.0.0. Router domain name server and domain name I am using 10.1.1.1. Click on OK and close this window. We will start this application again. As you can see, it created a couple of files in the root directory. We will close this application. This step is also completed. Now we will share this directory with this name. We will go to the directory. This is the directory. Right click, properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder and change the name here. Click on OK and close. This step is also completed. Step number 7, we will create a folder under this directory and set the name OS. This step is also completed. Step number 8, we will copy the ISO file and serverasset.inf file to that OS directory. These are the files. We will copy these files and paste into OS directory. This step is also completed. Step number 9. We will start the server application and boot our client machine from the network. I am using VMware for client machine, and I will create a test machine here, and then we will try to boot from the network. So as you can see, this system is booting from network now. We will get this boot menu. Press enter here. So after booting from the network, we will get these 5 menu here: Acronis True Image, Acronis System Report, Acronis True Image 64-bit, Acronis System Report 64-bit, or Start Windows. So I am using the first option, Acronis True Image. I will select that option. So here you can see we have backup option, recovery option, and under backup and recovery we have multiple options. Under tools and utility, you can clone the disk, you can add a new disk. So there are a lot of features. You can use this feature for backup and recovery purpose. So it's a quite simple process. If you will follow these steps one by one, then you will be able to boot the SO from the network. So we have completed step number 9. Step number 10 is for you guys. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share the video. I will create more videos like this. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.